Hi, welcome to PowerTester. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a test plan. So a test plan in PowerTester is simply a collection of test cases. To create one, simply click on Test Plans on the left hand side and then Add Test Plan. Give it a friendly name and select an environment. You might remember that when creating a connection, you had the option to create one or more environments, and this is the place where you select the environment. I'm going to select production. You can give your test plan a schedule by building it using the schedule builder. For example, I'd like to run my test plan every day at 3 AM UTC. Now click Next. And now we can enter a tag. A test plan can have 0 or more tags, and these retrieve test cases with matching tags. For example, you can select the sales dashboard tag, and they will retrieve all test cases that have the sales dashboard tag at the time of execution. In addition to tags, you can add test cases manually. For example, if we want to add our friendly name test case from our previous video, we can select it here. This test plan will now execute the friendly name test case, as well as any test case that matches the tags we specified before. And now we hit save. We've created our first test plan. To execute the test plan, simply click on these 3 dots and execute now. Once the test plan has finished executing, you can simply click the test plan, go to the Test Runs tab, and view the execution result by clicking on the test run. The test run result will show you the summary of the test run, as well as the test cases that were executed. You can click into the test case to view the test case results. In this case, this test case has failed because the number of columns in the SQL script and Power BI were different. You can go to the Properties tab to see the properties of that test case, including the connection used and the SQL query executed. As you can see here, this test case connected to the demo connection executed this SQL here against the chart with this alt text. Another thing to understand about test plans is that when you execute a test plan, it creates a test run. So when we want to view the results of a test plan, we go to the Test Runs tab and select the test run of interest, or we can simply toggle to the Test Runs view and we'll see all of the latest test runs.